One thing that can make your photos look more professional or better to most people is a blurrier background or having that shallow depth of field. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can get an even blurrier background. So first, I'm going to take a shot right here with Sam sitting about 6 or 7 feet from the background. I'm at an f/14 aperture, and I'm shooting at 24 millimeters on my 24 to 70 millimeter lens. The background's not that blurry, so the first step I'm going to actually do is drop my aperture. We know with a wider open aperture, we get a shallower depth of field, so I'm gonna go all the way to the extreme right now to f2.8. Because I've opened up to an f2.8 to expose properly, my shutter speed is now at 1/3200. Take another shot. Taking another shot at 1/2000th. The background is a little bit blurrier. So that's the first thing we can do to get a blurrier background. The next thing is, if you can, move your subject away further from the background to create more space. So let's do that. All right, so now we are farther from the background and we are about the same distance from where we were apart. If I get closer to Sam, that's also going to make the background a little bit blurrier because I am focusing on something closer. So the background is more, it's an even more distant focal plane. So I'm gonna take the shot. Comparing these two photos, you can see that the pots behind Sam and all of that stuff behind him is actually really out of focus. And the last thing I can do, the third thing, is really to zoom in. So I have my 24 to 70 right here. If you have a telephoto lens or a zoom lens, go ahead and zoom in or swap to a telephoto lens. Now my composition is gonna be a little different because I'm zoomed in, but that's really gonna show how blurry the background can get. Take the shot. Now with that, you can really see that those pots and plants behind Sam are completely blurred out. It's hard to tell what it really is. So with those 3 steps, opening up your aperture, moving away from the background or getting closer to your subject, and then using a more telephoto lens, you can get a blurrier background.